With Word Finder, you can search for any word and discover the pathway for how to get to that word within your vocabulary file. There are two methods for using Word Finder in chat. This video will show you how to use Word Finder from the keyboard page in WordPower. First, navigate to the keyboard page within your vocabulary. Spell the word you want to find directly on the keyboard page.
D-O-G.
Once you are done spelling your word, select Find Word in the bottom row. If the word is in your vocabulary file, you will see the button sequence displayed in the speech display bar. If it's located in more than one spot, it will flip through these possible sequences as well. Most sequences are only a few button hits and you'll be able to go to your vocabulary and find them. To show that first button sequence again, you can press Find Word again. Let's go find that word dog. So I want to press Groups, Pets, and then Dog. Groups, Pets, Dog.
Dog.